Watering is incredibly important for your garden. Here's my guide to the most efficient ways to water your beds, borders, patio pots, and lawn. This stainless steel hose is incredibly versatile. It doesn't heat up in warm weather and it won't harm your plants if you're trailing it through a border. It comes with 8 different settings. They can be used to water a range of different plants and areas in your garden. The shower setting is really good for soaking borders. The vertical setting is good for precision planting in the border, perhaps new trees and shrubs. The flat setting is ideal for watering larger areas such as lawns and on the allotment. The mist setting is also very useful if you're growing in a greenhouse, tomatoes or chilies, and you want to increase the humidity. For busy gardeners, you could always fix a sprinkler onto the end of your hose. A range of different settings means that you can place it in the center of the lawn and water the whole thing very quickly and efficiently. There's a common misconception that rainfall will water your patio pots as well as your borders, but that's not actually the case. Often the dense leaf canopy means that water doesn't get down to the roots where it's needed. You can get around this by using saucers beneath your patio pots, the same way as you would with houseplants indoors. Simply water from below and your plants will then self-regulate and draw up only the water that they need. If you've ever grown hanging baskets before, you'll know that they dry out very, very quickly. There isn't much of a volume of compost to hold on to the moisture. The key to success is by using a wetting agent. Now, this is a liquid that you use when you water your basket, and it actually makes the compost act like more of a sponge, and it holds on to that moisture between waterings. So there's a few tips in terms of watering around your garden and your patio, and a few ways that will help you be more efficient, not just with your water, but also with your own time.